boys. I'm on the GoPro, but look at that. Look at that. You mean if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You mean
it's just gonna work. You mean?
Yo, that is so creative, bro.
It's just gonna work, though.
Bro, a fucking bottle cap.
Don't leak.
That is, bro. That is the most creative thing I ever seen. Like, bro. Is that water?
Yeah. This is like a little bit of coolant. Some water. We about to go right back to AutoZone because this shit gonna burn off hella quick.
Man. Oh, that's water. Oh, sheesh. AutoZone. Yo, this car wash can wait. Keep it a bean.
Yeah, that's what it should keeps doing, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just wash it another time.
I mean, you do know we're supposed to have like a full storm in like two days, right?
Oh, really? Oh, I'm not cleaning it. AutoZone, here we come. Screw the car wash. I just spray it down real quick.
This shit empty.
Yeah, that's empty. That's on E. Ooh, all right, yo, we'll be right back. Is this John on? Yo, we got the GoPro, boys. Yeah, taking some. That John shiny as shit.
No damn reason.
Let's get it. Let's get it, boys.
Come on, who's reading? You?
I don't have the Addy. What the fuck? That is the, bro. Christian Dio. Yeah. All right, boys. About to get ready to kill it. Oh, shoot. I always forget to put my lights on, bro. All right, I'm gonna get back to you guys when we're at the on the highway. Oh boy. I hope I can keep up, man. That's a Hemi. I know it's not a Hellcat, but like, that John's fast still. And I don't even have bolt-ons. He's bugging. Yo, he is bug? Yo. They're really drawing, man. Drawing, no cap. That would have been a bad John. Whoo! My adrenaline, man. Oh my gosh. The adrenaline.
Nah, bro.
Yeah. It's good, bro. It's all grainy.
Yeah.
Squad deep.
With my camera, bro. No cap.
What'd you hit, boy?
Huh? That ass?
No.
Oh, that's a booty print.
That joint just dirty, bro.
I heard he can't drive. He maxed.
Let's get it, boys.
Yeah.
I need a camera with this John. You mean? Hey, what are you doing, bro? You chilling? You cool, bro?
Is that the undercover? Ready?
Jeez.
I'm not worried about a little bit with these guys. Ready? Ready?
Like the Mustang.
Watch me, watch me.
Yo, shut up. Yo, look, they start running.
They
Why
folded.
y'all running?
They folded.
Oh, man. Shut them. No, he's not.
Nah.
Turkey to 5.